just finished up some of the last few little final touches on a rc30. Just a couple mirrors and a OEM front wheel. Actually did the bike a while ago. I'll go ahead and in the description put the video up that was doing the complete bike. This is the bike that they're going on. I'll play a couple clips from the original video when we did the whole bike, and if you want to see the whole video, I'll put a link to it in the comment section. Going to be doing a Honda RC30 one owner bike. It's not that bad, just needs freshened up. A little bit of damage there. Tank's got some scuffs on it. Here's this bottom piece. Gonna be most of the work probably. This is the next one. As I'm sanding it, you can see the bubbles coming through the paint. So we got to strip this all the way down. The fiberglass is actually bubbling. So we are taking it all the way down through the gel coat. Got this one all wrapped up. By far, this is my probably favorite bike I've done so far. It's the vfr750r. In the States, it's called the rc30. Just all the different colors. The red and the dark blue. Then the tank has that nice light blue on there. It's not regular white, it's got a nice pearl.